Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Surbhi here. So nice to see all of you. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to be doing a lovely painting using these nice bright colors. So as you have seen, I have already mixed them, but this is just paint and water. Ultramarine blue, turquoise, cyan blue, this beautiful magenta color, and the gold. So I have just mixed them very little bit for my Dutch pour technique. So to begin with, I'm going to be base coating my canvas with white paint, and then I'm going to drizzle the paints in a line like a wave, like this, on top of each other, and then I'm going to gently blow them using a blow dryer. So I hope you like this. Stay with me, let's paint. The canvas is base coated with white paints now, and I'm going to start pouring the paints in a line on top of each other, starting with my Ultramarine Blue. The paints are very thin because they're just mixed with water, so I'm going to slowly start to drizzle them like this. Okay. I hope they are not too thin. Let's see. This is my beautiful magenta from Arteza. It's a beautiful nice and bright color. I really love this one. So I hope it turns out really nice. This is something different which I'm trying today. Moving on to Cyan Blue. And a little bit of gold. This is also from Arteza, beautiful gold. I might have a little bit of more this lovely magenta. And then I'm going to have a bit of my white around. Oh, not too much. Okay, just going to use my torch for any air bubbles. Okay, then let's blow the paints out. guys. So very happy with the beautiful lacing. Just use the blowtorch again for any cells, any lacing. I have to use my fingers as well. I hope I don't have too much paint on. Yeah, so very pleased, very happy with the beautiful colors. You can see some lovely cells here. Nice lacing. This part is beautiful. So let me get you down on the canvas. Really amazed, really pleased with the beautiful magenta and the blues together, making a little bit of purpley violet color as well. Very nice. So vibrant. Look at these lovely cells here. And this is one of my favorite parts. This one. Beautiful. I'll share the tried result with you as well. I hope you like this. It's a very nice and simple painting today, which I've done just out of my mind. So I just thought, because I love Dutch pours, so I wanted to make something really simple with a little bit of negative space that we have here on the side. So I hope this dries out really nicely. Thank you once again for watching. Bye now.